video is sponsored by Cake Wallet, the easiest open source wallet to store Bitcoin, Monero, and Litecoin securely on mobile and desktop devices. When buying, selling, and exchanging crypto or trading for gift cards, Cake Wallet ensures privacy and security, giving you the keys to your coins. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here today on a lovely Friday. And yes, I said Friday because we worked so hard to now sit back, relax, talk about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. I am so excited to get after today's news. And Bitcoin is finally bouncing a little bit. We're up 1.3%, almost nearing that 94K mark right now. So if you guys are ready for the Zest, the news, the education, then make sure you smash the like, subscribe to the channel, share the stream out with friends so more people know what's going on here. We have a goal of 150 likes, 150 live viewers, as well as a subscriber goal of hold on, where did my subscribers go? Perfect. 18,050 subs, 10 more, we can do it. Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Also, guys, I encourage you to check out the Randi Roundup. This is a new series that I am working on for just love, zest, and all the things in the world. And I really want to make sure that you guys are checking it out. Our latest video is right here. So please make sure you guys are checking it out. Please, the Randi Roundup, new video series that I'm working on. So let me know if you guys are enjoying those. Also, please join the Discord. We have a community call that I want to do on Monday, right after I go live here. Give me a few minutes. I'll be in the Discord, and then we're going to get after it on Discord and talk about what you guys want to see for the channel going into 2025 and all the good things in the world. Then following that, I want to try to do after shows. So there's going to be a Daily Zest after show. There is a channel for that in the Discord as well. So it's called the Zesty After Show. Please make sure you guys go in there, throw an emoji or say hello in there. Let me know that you guys can see the channel, and we're going to get after it. I want to give a special thank you to all my moderators as well that have been working relentlessly. Appreciate it. Please make sure you guys check out our sponsors as I say good morning to you and you say good morning to me. And that includes Cake Wallet, Market Cipher. Use code ZESTY for 15% off. Also, let me know, do you guys like the new nail color? I want to know if you guys like this. I decided to switch it up. Right, John, with the 2025. Appreciate you. Let's say good morning to everybody. Let me know if you like the nail color. We have, who do we got in here? We have Lolo, Blocky, Silver Days, Jeffrey, Geo, Alexandra G, my G. Nice to see you. She said, everyone, don't forget to smash the like, subscribe, and share the stream out with friends. I agree. C90, nice to see you. We got Lasers, Memory Man, Mike Volmer, Chipper, nice to see you. Brian is out here chilling, all set. Mr. NC is here. Black Hat, good morning. We have, wow, you guys are chatting it up in here this morning. David Bulls, nice to see you. Welcome. Kai, good morning. Everlasting Bliss from the Netherlands, what's up? We have M2 Dynastic, nice to see you. We got MK, VV Zombie, Poman, Golf Wizard, Nashgate. Ooh, Golf Wizard said we're looking at a 2020 dump. I don't know. Fat Oracle, good morning. Nash, that's snow day. Hope you guys are staying warm over there. Bulldog Eric, good morning. Welcome to the chat. We got Chris Klein. Welcome. Alpt, good morning. Brian Oakes is here from the Digibyte fam. Welcome. Crypto Farmers chilling. Bruh, nice to see you over there on TikTok. All my TikTokers, good morning. Nice to see you guys. JC is here, good morning. Sola Hefe, what's up? Nice to see you. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Crypto Lurker. Chris, oh wait, I said hi to Chris Klein. He says, smash that like for the Bitcoin princess. Appreciate that. Crypto Migrant, good morning. He said, to the moon. I agree. Yukio, what's up? So which channel? Sorry, I was late. So Yukio, go over to Discord, go into the community chat, and be there on Monday. Please make sure you guys let me know that you can see the community channel chats. So that way I know that we're all good on that Discord. Let me know. Poison, Nice to see you. I know all the lights. I'm working on getting a blackout curtain. I need a blackout curtain, guys. So I'm working on that. Also, my hair is just unhinged today. Absolutely unhinged. Right, Keen Bean C90 says happy Friday. Suey Cypher's here. Nice to see you. Daddy-O, what's up? Brykaz, good morning. He said pamp it. Boom. I like that. I like that energy. Mazda, nice to see you. James, what's up? Floki's Angels, good morning. Big Dog, morning. Nice to see you. Welcome. Welcome. Guys, please smash the like, subscribe, share. Let's go. We're going to get into the market recap. Elric, good morning. Ivan, good morning. Welcome. Please make sure you're smashing the like, subscribing to the channel, all the good things. And we really want to hit a subscriber goal today. Market recap. Let's get it. We got Sui up 18%. We have Algo up 7%, BSV up 10%, Bitcoin Cash up 4.7%, A16, A16Z, A16Z, AI16Z, my bad, is up 9.8%, Uni up 5%, SHIB up 3.9%. So we have some interesting gainers today. ICP kind of bouncing as well. ICP is trying to hold that $10 right now. And so we're going to hope it does, because $10 is a major psychological level for the ICP community over there. Let's get it. Chris B, good morning. Hi. Welcome. We have Bitcoin trying to bounce this morning. Was a local bottom reach. We're still in range perfectly. $93,926 at the moment, up 1.48%. Again, where did we hit? 91K. That's our range, 91 to 98. We just keep bouncing within a range. Even though we have tried to break out and target $103,000, we did not quite get there. We were at like 102.8 or something to that degree. Though we did have a wick low to that 91K. Closed at around 92.3. We want to keep bouncing to that 98 and break out of 98. Hopefully 91K maybe becomes our new support and we never see below 90K Bitcoin again. Though a lot of people are speculating. Now, this is where things get crazy. Everyone's like, okay, now that we kind of have been tipping down a little bit with Bitcoin price, does that mean that we should be in full bear mode? People are starting to get in bear mode. They're looking at 75K Bitcoin, which is a valid level on the chart. People are saying maybe 85K Bitcoin, 87K Bitcoin. That's very much possible. If we fall below 90K, there's probably going to be some liquidations out there. However, when everyone starts to get majorly bearish, that's usually when Bitcoin starts to bounce, which is kind of what we're seeing today. Although we don't have a crystal ball, we don't know what's yet to come. The VWAP isn't making a nice confident move to the upside. We wanted to ideally cross that zero line, go bullish. And this red dot is still weighing down our momentum, holding it down. No! Although the money flow is still green, it is continuing to dip. The volume is pretty low. And we have the RSI that is bouncing a little bit today, still kind of mid-bear right now. I say send it to oversold. We see what that looks like. Wipe everyone clean and see what goes off. Shout out to Uncle Billy in chat. Looking over here at Ethereum, Ethereum is $3,252, up 1% today. Look what we're trying to target, that 3270. Bearish case to watch is at $3,050, $3,060. And again, if we fall below that, then your 200-day SMA is right there at $2,900. And if we test that $2,983 and we reject it, then we're looking at this 2770 level again, which you guys know I do not like. I'm not a fan of this level. I don't like talking about it. Just something about it gives me an ick. Your bullish level to watch is passing this 3260, 3270, and targeting 3950, 3960, which is your golden zone. We want to target $4,000 ETH. That's just where my heart is majorly warm and fuzzy. Red dot is still holding down this momentum. The VWAP is making a nice move to the upside today. Again, we want it to hit that zero line and cross it. the money flow is continuing to dip as well. The RSI is looking good, making a nice little push up. Again, really not far from this oversold. I say send it to oversold, relieve the selling pressure, and have us have a nice bounce. I want to have a nice bounce up to $4,000 ETH. If we see $4,000 ETH, I think we might have some FOMO coming into the market. It's kind of how I feel at the moment. Shout out to everybody in the chat. In the moment, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Welcome, 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 welcome. Ian, aloha, my friend. Guys, smash the likes. Let's get after it. Litecoin is $104.74, up 2.4%. And again, yesterday we saw Litecoin be one of the biggest gainers. You would know if you tuned into yesterday's Randi Roundup. If you haven't yet, I'm going to give you the link so you can go like it. Smash that like. Enjoy it. Feel the love. The Randi Roundup's here for you. Tune in. So I talked about the biggest gainers, the biggest losers on there, and Litecoin was one of our biggest gainers yesterday, so good for Litecoin. Now, going back to the chart here, we want to hold that 103, 104. That is very important. We want to maintain $100 Litecoin. It's a psychological level. Your bullish scenario is 112, 113. Your bearish level to watch is 97, which falling below $100 Litecoin would just hurt my heart. Looking at Litecoin, the VWAP is almost at that zero line. We want it to keep pushing to that zero line. Have a good time. Enjoy itself. The red dot is still weighing down this momentum, though, and the money flow is still taking a hit, though it's still green. And we have the RSI still continuing to bounce for Litecoin. It was started to bounce yesterday. We wanted to hit that neutral and go bullish as well. So good on Litecoin. Good on Litecoin for maintaining everything. MetaMask, how am I doing today? I'm doing good. I'm feeling swell. Hope you're doing well too. Mr. 800 said, you got a great radio voice. Thank you. Appreciate it. Javier, thank you. I should show my screen. Well, you could see my screen on youtube.com/missteencrypto. So please head over there. PFP link in bio. Now, people were looking at the Bitcoin chart. And if we look at the Bitcoin chart on the hourly, we saw a lot of red candles. And if you look over here, there was a streak of red candles. People have noticed that. They registered, we saw 14 green hourly candles, the longest streak since 2017. So we saw the red candles over here, and then we saw a bunch of green heading back on up. So again, where you see the red, we might continue to dip down again, and that was us breaking below 98K, heading towards that 90, and then we had our green candle bounce. So when you see things like this, the red candle fear, you always have the green candles that come back eventually. But that is a wild streak of, again, 14 green hourly candles, which is the longest one since 2017. I just thought that was a nice little thing to throw out there. Imagine watching that hourly chart and trading it. I'd be like, ooh, that is beautiful. What sticks out to me, though, is that we had this huge streak of these green candles on the hourly, yet we still have major red money flow on the hourly chart. Major red money flow. I wonder if it'll end up picking up. I think it will eventually, but we haven't seen that green money flow since back here on the 8th, so about 2 days ago on our slide down to that 91K mark. Interesting. Interesting. People are saying that this is a ripe buying period as well. People are targeting 95K Bitcoin. Over here, it says on-chain data shows Bitcoin's spent output profit ratio, SOPR, has crept up to 0.987 as of Friday, suggesting that investors who have held Bitcoin for less than 6 months are selling at a loss. Historically, this scenario has often preceded price recoveries, indicating a potential buying opportunity. People are saying that maybe this is a local bottom and that we have the best that's yet to come, maybe 120K Bitcoin. We see that $120,000 bets are still hot and spicy. Hold on, let me get rid of this ad. Okay. We see the 10-year yield on U.S. inflation index security has jumped 2.29%, the highest since November of 2023. We also see...
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Sending snowy love today, Randy from SC. Everything is closed here. Cookie, heart,
is it really that bad?
Smiley face, candle, lemon.
Is it really that bad? Oh my gosh. Hope you stay warm out there, Billy. Thank you, Uncle Billy. Shout out to you. All the love in the world. All the love in the world. Appreciate you very much. But yeah, stay warm. Stay safe, everyone, with all this snow, all this fire as well. I hope everything is okay with everybody. Everyone stay safe. Sending all the love. Despite the macro uncertainties, my friends, Bitcoin's Deribit listed options market remains optimistic, with the dollar value of active calls tallying $14.87 billion at press time, nearly twice the value of active inputs, according to Amber data. A call buyer is implicitly bullish on the market, while the put buyer is bearish. Moreover, the $120,000 strike call option remains the most popular, with a notional open interest of $1.47 billion. Calls at strikes, 101,000 and 110,000 also boast an open interest of over $1 billion each. Meanwhile, the most popular put option at $75K has an open interest of $595 million. Again, we see a lot of people with the bearish mindset of that 75K mark. What I could see the plot twist being is we don't exactly hit 75K if we have a major dip, and we probably hit 76K right above it, and people lose it, and then we go right back up. That's probably what Bitcoin does. Bitcoin likes to play. Bitcoin likes to play. Hashtag givers gain, guys. Give that love while everyone is bearish. Give that love. Barone, hello, nice to see you. Josh says, down we go. Listen, we don't have a crystal ball. We don't know the future, but we do understand what's inevitable, and that is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is inevitable, and one day we're going to laugh about trading all these little moves with Bitcoin. Even the move from 108K down to 93 is not that big of a deal. In all honesty, it's not. And even if you look at, again, 1 year ago today, we're at 93K right now. Let's look at January 10th of last year. Let's see. 2024. Let's zoom in. Let's zoom in right here. All right, so January 8th, 9th, 10th. So January 10th of 2024, we were at $46,000. 46K. Now, you could keep looking at 46K, and if you look at 46K, that 2x that is 92, about 92, 93K. So we still 2x'd. We still doubled since then, since last year. Again, when in doubt, zoom out on the chart. 43K last year. Oh, look at this. 93K right now. Don't get scared. Keep calm. Huddle on. If you have a bullish and a bearish case scenario, stick to it and pump it up. You got to pump it up. Shout out to Alex O Crypto. Thank you so much for raiding in here, my friends. We have so many beautiful folk in the chat. Please smash the like, subscribe, share it out.
Why don't you like and subscribe and share this video?
Thank you guys for being here. Shout out to Papa O. I hope he's doing good. His family, the little baby. The little baby. We have 21 more likes until we hit 100. Let's get after it. We have so many beautiful people in here. Make sure you guys are voting in the polls. Let's keep going. Anthony Paldino, Crypto Sun. Hi, everybody. Welcome. Welcome, everybody. Tamale says, much love, Randy. Much love to you, too, my friend. Much love to you, too. All right, let's continue on with some news. We're going to talk about some Bitcoin miners. We do have over here Bitcoin miner emojis. So if you guys are a member, which we like to see membershipery, rain some memberships. Let's get after it, my friends. Use that Bitcoin miner emoji because apparently US listed Bitcoin miners account for 25% of the global network as of December, which I think is pretty bullish. The US having some power in some sort of form, even though the government should be mining some Bitcoin. I think in the future it's going to matter a lot, governments holding Bitcoin in their hash rate. US listed Bitcoin miners account for 25.3% of the global network as of December. The bank cut its price, Jeffries said this in a report. The bank cut its price target for Marathon Holdings from $20 to $24 while maintaining its hold rating on the stock. The shares rose 0.5% to $18.43 during early trading on Friday. Mining profitability improved in December as the average price of Bitcoin gained 15%, outpacing the increase in the network hash rate, which was 6.5% higher. Again, hash rate is the computational power used to mine and process transactions on the blockchain. The average daily revenue was $59,585 per exahash, a 7.1% increase from November, according to Jeffries. The mining companies in the U.S. mined 3,602 Bitcoin in December versus that 3,400 in the month previous. We're going to look at Marathon stock right now, and then we're actually going to talk about CleanSpark in just a moment, so I'm going to hold off on them. Marathon is $17.56, down 4.25%. We're looking at a bear scenario of $15.29. You're bullish, you still want to target that 1830 past that 200-day SMA at $19 and then hit 20, which is that psychological level that people are talking about here. And ultimately, your bullish scenario there, if you pass that 200-day SMA, is about $26. Even though we just had a red dot printed over there on Marathon. The next one we want to talk about is CleanSpark. They become the fourth Bitcoin miner to hold 10,000 Bitcoin. Again, miners are stacking Bitcoin. They're mining Bitcoin. They don't want to sell it, which goes to show that if we have miners that don't want to let go of their fresh Bitcoin, how much is really getting put out into the market for people to buy on the market through exchanges, but also OTC. Bitcoin mining firm CleanSpark said it now holds 10,097 Bitcoin in its treasury, making it the fourth publicly listed miner to hold more than 10,000 Bitcoin. It marks a 236% year-over-year increase in CleanSpark's denominated treasury, which the CEO, Zach Bradford, attributed in a January 9th statement to the company scaling more efficiently and responsibly. All of their 10,097 Bitcoin was mined in the U.S., supporting American energy and jobs while contributing to the growth of the global ecosystem for Bitcoin. Marathon, Riot, Hut 8 also hold more than 10,000 Bitcoin. CleanSpark's chief financial officer, Gary Vecchiarelli, said that the firm remains committed to using its Bitcoin holdings in a way that aligns with a sound risk management principles and disciplined capital strategy. Quote, by avoiding unfavorable counterparty exposure and leveraging our Bitcoin to lower our cost of capital, we're positioning CleanSpark as a leader in responsible financial innovation. They mined 7,024 Bitcoin in 2024, and they kept most of it after starting the year with only 2,300 Bitcoin in their treasury. So that's another very interesting one. We're going to look at CleanSpark stock as well. CleanSpark stock. Let me grab that for you guys really quick. Let's talk about CleanSpark. So we have a lot of Bitcoin miners, again, buying Bitcoin, holding it on their own treasury. Again, showing you that they value it. They don't want to lose it, even though some are starting to lend their Bitcoin for some yield as well, which I thought was a pretty interesting take on the whole thing as well. All right. So a few levels to watch on CleanSpark too. CleanSpark stock is $9.66, down 4.26%. You're looking at a bullish scenario there of $13 and targeting that 200-day SMA. Your bearish level to watch there is $8.48. You want to hold support there. If you lose that, $3 is maybe where you would head under that. But interesting. Yep, Yukio's right. Everyone's taking the Sailor Bitcoin approach. It's true. It's true. And it's smart. It's smart. The U.S. needs to smarten up, but a lot of companies are smartening up as well, such as Jan3, headed by Samson Mao. If you guys take a look, cypherpunk Nick Szabo joined Samson Mao's Jan3 as a chief scientist. Looking over here, he's a cypherpunk. He's joining Samson Mao's Jan3, a digital infrastructure company fostering global Bitcoin adoption, as chief scientist, they announced on January 9th. His role as chief scientist includes spearheading research into Bitcoin's implication for monetary policy, international trade settlement, and global adoption. The cypherpunk said he is joining Jan3 to help cement Bitcoin as the cornerstone of an entirely new global financial system. He wrote in an announcement, "By focusing on decentralization and trust minimization, we can address the systemic inefficiencies of legacy systems and empower individuals, corporations, and nations to embrace true financial sovereignty." His addition to Jan3 comes amid several nation states accruing Bitcoin as a reserve asset and the possibility of a strategic Bitcoin reserve in the United States. Smart. Another really great move. Jan3 is awesome. Shout out to Samson Mao, who has also been on the Randi Hipper show as well. Make sure you guys go on the Randi Hipper show playlist on my YouTube channel. Scroll down and you'll see my episode with Samson Mao. I think he's a great guy. Guys, we have 10 more likes until 100. Please smash the like, subscribe, and share.
Why don't you like and subscribe and share this video?
As you guys are here, please make sure you join the Discord. Please make sure you join the Discord. All right. Talking about the United States and things of that nature, we want that strategic Bitcoin reserve, but we also need some people that are really gung-ho in the government on Bitcoin. Now, we're going to see a digital asset subcommittee coming into play very soon, and I think this is pretty bullish as well. The Senate Banking Committee is going to launch a subcommittee on digital assets. Thank you to Eleanor Terrett for this beautiful article. This move comes just days after Republicans finally took over the Senate last week, ahead of the inauguration of Donnie T on the 20th. This will make the GOP's holdover government complete, since it retained control of the House after the election. It has also been seen as a commitment by the Senate Republicans to prioritize crypto legislation and support Donnie T's campaign promise of making America the crypto epicenter of the world. The creation of the crypto subcommittee is one of South Carolina Senator Tim Scott's first orders of business as the new chairman of the Senate Banking Committee, which oversees banks and financial regulators like the SEC and the FDIC, which, if they're overseeing people like
hucksters,
Gary, and where he's gonna used to be at, and the FDIC, who also were spearheading Operation Choke Point 2.0, we might see a lot of banks enter the crypto space. Now, Scott is hoping to emulate the success of the crypto subcommittee in the lower chamber established in 2023 by former North Carolina Congressman Patrick McHenry. Last year, the House Financial Services Committee made history by passing a piece of crypto legislation drafted by the Digital Asset Subcommittee called the FIT-21 bill, which aimed to establish regulatory frameworks for digital assets. It still needs to be presented to the full House of Representatives for a debate and vote. If passed, advance to the Senate. News was first reported by Punchbowl and confirmed to Fox Business by two Senate aides. We also know that Senator from Wyoming, Cynthia Lummis, was also selected to chair the subcommittee pending approval voting, which will be taking place in the upcoming days. Now, who else might be on this? We're going to discuss. Now, Senator Cynthia Lummis, again, was selected and has to be voted to lead this new subcommittee. And some Republican members of this committee tentatively selected leaders and members but that will not be official unless or until the committee votes on them. So she's set to lead the digital asset subcommittee, which will include crypto-friendly lawmakers like Bill Haggerty, newly elected Senator Bernie Moreno. A Senate aide told the block. Punchbowl News previously reported the news on Thursday afternoon. Ahead of the November elections, incoming Senate Banking Committee Chair Tim Scott said in August he planned to create a digital asset-focused panel if he became chair. The Senate Banking Committee would also vote to create digital asset subcommittee, according to a Senate aide. So this was already thought of quite a while ago. Eleanor Terrett also tweeted this, a whole list of who would play what role, like committee vice chairman, committee whip, the vice chair for communications, and all the subcommittee chairs as well for capital markets, financial institutions, subcommittee on digital assets, subcommittee on national security, illicit finance, all those things as well, which we kind of need a little bit of a watchdog on illicit finance, especially within our own government, because we know that there's a lot of insider trading going on there that never gets discussed. Never, ever. Isn't that a little weird? Isn't that a little weird? So that's major news as well. A digital asset subcommittee is absolutely huge. So I'm very bullish on that going in to 2025 with the new administration. Hopefully all the voting goes well. Cynthia Lummis could take a little bit of a lead on that one, especially because she's the one that's putting forward the Bitcoin Act for the strategic Bitcoin reserve in the United States. We're very bullish on a strategic Bitcoin reserve. And again, with her bill specifically, we would be accumulating 1 million Bitcoin over the course of 5 years, so 200K Bitcoin per year for 5 years, and that would be absolutely beautiful for the United States, and hopefully we get to pay back our debt with that. I also want to put it out there for everyone listening that I do believe eventually it's not going to be just a Bitcoin reserve. I think there's going to be other cryptocurrency reserves as well, maybe some of these. But I definitely believe there's not going to be a lot of Bitcoin left, especially if people know that the U.S. is definitely going to buy 200,000 Bitcoin a year and have that 1 million out of the 21 million. We already know miners are building up their reserves and they don't want to sell. I think there will be a supply shock for Bitcoin. We might have to go to different coins or tokens to accumulate, to store value, and potentially have reserves for in the United States and pay back our national debt that is way too high because of that darn money printer. Keep note, my friends. Keep note. Keep calm, hodl on, stay bullish. We're going to get after it still because we have more news, and more news. Did we hit 100 likes yet so I could share some news? I have some news to share. Maybe when we hit 115 likes, we have 103. Can we hit 115 likes, 12 more? 12 more? Is that a thing? Is that possible? Can that happen? Digibite could fill that void. Well, there is a finite supply of that too. Right, Ryan? Then why are we selling 69,000 Bitcoin? Because it's not the same administration, one. And two, there isn't official news that they sold that Bitcoin. They got all the rise to sell it, but they haven't sold it yet. And even Donnie T was like, hey, man, you guys shouldn't be selling that Bitcoin that you took from Silk Road. So I definitely think that this administration is just playing games, trying to FUD the market. So I don't think they even sold it. We're going to head over to the European side of things. We have some Europe crypto news that we're going to talk about too. Standard Charter. Hi, Clem. We have Standard Charter debuting crypto services in Europe with a new license. Standard Charter is one of the world's largest banks, guys, and they've been really bullish on crypto. They're debuting cryptocurrency services in Europe. Take a look. They maintained or obtained their digital asset license in Luxembourg. They announced on January 9th that they're establishing a new entity in Luxembourg to act as its European Union regulatory entry point for offering crypto and digital asset custody services. This move comes after the implementation of the markets in crypto assets MiCA regulation, a major crypto regulatory framework in the EU. Laurent Marancini, former head of innovation at the French financial conglomerate Société Générale, will take the lead at Standard Chartered's Luxembourg entity as the CEO. What are they offering? They're going to offer Bitcoin and ETH custody, and more assets to potentially come in 2025. Their crypto products will also exclusively feature crypto custody or the service for storing and protecting digital assets on behalf of their owners. So apparently they're not offering trading through Luxembourg. There's no clear timeline, as that is not planned for the moment. So that's what they want. They want to work on custody. Though, again, this is probably going to be for institutions, for businesses to custody with the bank, because it's probably better for them. But I do think that if you are an individual, if you are just a person that is solo, not a business, you should definitely, even if you are a business, you should self-custody your Bitcoin. You should not custody with the bank or anybody. So if you haven't yet, and you have your Bitcoin, if you have your crypto on an exchange, you pull that Bitcoin off. You pull that crypto off and you put it in a wallet. Because if you don't, and the exchange goes kaploo, then what are you going to do? You need to have your own Bitcoin. Be your own bank. That's why we're in the space. That's why we're here. That's why we're here. Do we have 115 likes? Can I tell you my news yet? Can I tell you my news yet? We have 110 likes. 5 more. 5 more. 5 more. Yep, everyone's saying to hit that like. You better listen to them. If you're bullish on that like button, put a rocket emoji. Maybe we should have a little thumbs up like button emoji. I think that's what we need. That's our next emoji, maybe. Right, Saul? Shout out to you getting us 50% to our goal. I appreciate Saul over there on TikTok. Because of this MiCA rules for crypto, JP Morgan is saying that this could help and boost euro-denominated stablecoins. I do think that the EU doesn't like stablecoins. They want their dirty CBDCs. That's what I've seen. That's the patterns I've seen from them so far, right? Incognito. SMH. EU's MiCA regulations, which came into effect on December 30th, will likely boost euro-denominated stablecoins, according to JP Morgan in a research report. The analyst said under MiCA, only compliant stablecoins can be used as trading pairs in regulated markets, prompting EU exchanges to adjust their offerings. It resulted in compliant stablecoins such as Circle's EURC, gaining strength, whereas non-compliant stablecoins like Tether's EURT face challenges, according to Wall Street. A stablecoin is again pegged to the dollar, and under these new stablecoin issuers, these new rules, stablecoin issuers like Tether are required to maintain significant reserves in banks based in Europe and must secure licenses for trading. And exactly that's where the trap is. They want the money in their own banks, and if it's not with them, then you can't operate. You can't have your stablecoin there, which is absolutely stupid. But if they don't want hyper Euroization, then of course this is what's going to happen. The European government, the EU, is full of
Hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi schemes.
This is what goes on. They don't like Tether, and even our own government doesn't like Tether because they're offshore. But we need hyperdollarization. We need hyperdollarization. That's what goes on. Hyperdollarization is what we need. People in other countries that want to store their value, that get completely decimated by inflation, need the dollar. They need Bitcoin.
You're welcome.
Rose, party face, hugging face, revolving hearts.
I'm a
revolving
Rez.
hearts,
Thank
revolving
you.
Hearts. Shout
Shout out to you. Nicaro Bullish, thank you for subscribing to the channel. I see Geo came back. Geo, why'd you leave? Why'd you leave? And you're back now. You're back now. It's because I answered your DM. Shout out to Mona. Shout out to Mona in the chat. We had such a good episode of the Lizard Lookout yesterday. Hope you guys are tuning into that every Thursday at 2 p.m. Eastern on Spaces. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Welcome, 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 welcome. All right, guys. Do we have 115 likes yet? We do. All right, guys, because you were too busy shorting. Of course, that was my next question. Now, today, I do have an appearance on Newsmax. I just got the confirmation. So, guys, I will be on Newsmax today at 3:45 p.m. Eastern. So please make sure you guys tune into Newsmax. Tim Taylor, good morning. You heard. Please make sure you guys tune into Newsmax at 3:45 p.m. Eastern. It's going to be a zesty time on Newsmax. Love Newsmax. I appreciate them very much. So Newsmax at, let me put that in the chat, 3:45 p.m. Eastern. Tune in. Keep calm, huddle on, stay bullish on Newsmax, and I'm excited to be back on there. I'm excited to be back. I know Yukio was asking me, am I going to be on Newsmax this week? And Yukio, I'm back. I'm back, baby. So shout out to them. I'm bullish. I'm excited. Shout out to Newsmax. Shout out to the Crypto Corner segment on the American Agenda. We're always excited for that. Shout out to Incognito with the little dinosaur there on TikTok. So cute. Love that thing. But yeah, guys, please make sure if you're on X that you go and like and retweet this live stream. Let me pull it up. Let me pull up. I pull up. Guys, make sure you pull up to X over here. Like and retweet it. Let's make sure we can get all the love in the world sent there. Send it to the moon.
Don't pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Check my latest tweet. Don't checking on stream. It's not safe for work. Oh, all right. Maybe I will. Maybe I won't. Maybe I will. Maybe I won't. I hope you guys are following Geo on X if you're above 18. Now, we do have more banks collaborating with blockchain companies. We have Philippine banks actually collaborating to launch the PX stablecoin with HBAR. And so if you guys are bullish on HBAR, then put that in the chat. Put rocket emojis if you're bullish on HBAR. Let me see the sentiment there. All right. Several banks in the Philippines are working together to create a peso-backed stablecoin, PHPX, aimed at improving cross-border payments and financial inclusion. When we know that if they don't like you, they don't like what you're doing, then you get obliterated, your assets get frozen, so it's not really that inclusive, but it gets there. It's aimed, again, at that financial inclusion. It's scheduled to launch between May and July. The stablecoin is developed by Singapore-based startup Just Finance and will be launched on the Hedera Decentralized Ledger Technology Network. So participating banks include Union Bank of the Philippines, Rizal Commercial Banking, Cancelan Bank, Rural Bank, and a bunch of others, according to a Ledger Insights report. All of them will play a significant role in the governance of the stablecoin. They aim to revamp that cross-border remittance, even though I think Lightning Network is good for remittance payments. Bitcoin is good for remittance payments. We want decentralized, beautiful ways of doing it. We don't need all these other stable coins. Like, we could use them, but do we need them for cross-border payments? Absolutely not. Bitcoin is cross-border. Litecoin is cross-border, and Litecoin is fast, cheap, and easy to use, and liquid. So I think when they bring up this whole, like, government, oh, we're participating in this, we're participating in CBDCs and stable coins for cross-border payments. We don't need them for cross-border payments. We don't. We don't. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. We have one more subscriber. One more, darn it, until we hit our subscriber goal. I see you. You see me over here. I see you. I see you. You see me over here on TikTok. You see me over here on YouTube, X, Facebook, Kick, Rumble, Twitch, all of you. You look into my eyeballs. I see you out there. You're watching the show. Maybe you haven't even liked yet, but you're not subscribed. Why are you not subscribed to the channel? Subscribe to the darn channel. I see you. Subscribe. Just hit the button. Tap it. Just give it a little boop, 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 and all will be okay. What's going on? What's going on? Who did what? Michael Cartwright with 10 memberships. Yay! I'm bullish on Michael Cartwright. Put those rain emojis. Put those rain emojis. Limona goes, I love your eyes. Subscribe. I'm just trolling. But guys, come on. One more subscriber. I think we can do it. I think we could rock on. We can hit that goal. We could. And if you guys have chart requests, let me know. I want to do those chart requests for you guys and get after it. But David Lee says Litecoin is the answer. I agree. Michael Cartwright, I'm bullish on you. Right, Midget Mike? Shout out to you. Everyone getting those memberships, say thank you to Michael. Thank you, Michael. Happy Friday. Thank you, Michael. I'm bullish on Michael Cartwright. All right. Ooh, Richard Barry got one. Hopefully he pops in. I think he was here yesterday. Shout out to everyone. Rob C, welcome. Nicaro Bullish said he came over from Alex. Oh, thank you to Alex. Alex is such a G. I appreciate him so much. Shout out to everyone. No, I hope you're doing well, my friend. Doge emojis in the chat for him. But if you guys have chart requests, let me know. Send them over. We have another article to cover, and then we could do some requests. And we didn't hit those 150 likes to do a rave today. We're at 120. We need 125 at least to pamp into the weekend. B-Team, good morning. Welcome, everyone. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Jesse's chilling. Jesse's chilling. I'm bullish on everybody in the chat. I really am. I really am. Multisig said, awesome show. Well, thank you. I appreciate it very much. I do. Guys, we hit the goal of 18,050. They heard us. Someone heard us out there. And if you were that special person that just subscribed, then say hi in the chat. Let me give you some love. Let me give you some love out here. Thank you so much for subscribing. I'm so happy we hit our goal. Also, guys, we do have the Randi Roundup. It's a new playlist on the channel. And we do have the latest video from yesterday. And if you haven't yet, please go smash the like. Please go smash the like. Let's go. Let's go. M2, what did M2 say? See, M2, I see you on my chat bot, but I don't see you in the main chat. I think they're trying to scam. I think they're trying to scam out here. Hold on. Where did M2 go? He said YouTube is blanking your live twice now, so they're not sharing it. They're not sharing it. Douglas is in the chat. Douglas! So pump it up. You got to pump it up. Deck says, Randy, I would subscribe, but I've already hit the max count of 1. Well, I accept it. I accept it. Bobby F said it was Midwest Bones that subscribed. Midwest Bones, thank you for subscribing. Everyone say hello to Midwest. Give Midwest some hearts in the chat. We're bullish on Midwest. NM505, what's up?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I like.
What?
Very much.
Get out of here. Thank you, Douglas. TikTok said your live is flagged for hate speech and hateful behaviors. Repeated violation could result in my live being discontinued. Are you kidding me? Get out of here. Get out of here. I took a screenshot. What is this BS? Yeah, this is not right. Okay, now my live is restricted. We have Clem. Thank you for the hearts. Afro, what's up? Sewell wants the H bar chart. Yeah, let's look at H bar. Let's look at H bar. I got you. Don't even fret, bro. Don't even fret. We're gonna go over H bar. I probably didn't see the comment, Sewell. You got to go over to YouTube. You got to go over to YouTube, or else I don't see poop.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Oh,
You're welcome.
Bullish on Randy.
I'm
Heart.
bullish on you,
Smiling
Jesse.
face with hearts.
Yay! Thank you. Thank you. Tiki Tacky's mad again. Yeah, they're mean. They're mean over there on Tiki Tackies. Pedro said no freedom. Word. Exactly. All right, H bar. We gotta do H bar first, Saul. H bar is 26 cents, 0.269 cents, 0.12% in the green. We're targeting to hold support at that 27 and a quarter cents. Bullish scenario is here 35, 36 cents. Bearish, if we don't hold, is 18 cents, 18 and a half cents. Right now, the money flow is taking a hit. Red dot printing on that momentum, although the VWAP is making a nice move up, which is probably why we have that 0.74% gain right now. The RSI is what I would watch for since it's right below that neutral. But it looks like it wants to move on to the bullish. Lee. Watch. Randy would get 3 years in the UK. I'm so happy I'm not in the UK. That's why I'm blessed to live in the United States, man. Even though it was getting very dicey here with the censorship. But now that Donnie T's coming into play, now you saw what Google did? Google donated, I believe, to his campaign. Let me go double check that. Not his campaign, his inauguration. Hold on, Google. I'm going to go double fact check myself. Google donate Trump inauguration. Yeah, okay. Yep. Google donated $1 million to the inauguration fund. And you know why they did that? Because they gotta kiss some behind for all the censorship that they did. Even Donnie T even called that was like, bruh, are you kidding me? That if you Googled Donnie T during the marathon, you know what happened? All you saw was Kamama. And I was like, wow, that is wild. And even on here, I was like, I can't even talk my ish because I'm going to get freaking banned out here. Max said, Randy, how can you forever be bullish and never consider a black swan event like this one? I don't think there is a black swan event right now. We're at $93,000 Bitcoin. We're up 2x from last year. We are not doing bad at all. We had $108,000. We're sitting at 93.8. Is that a black swan event? I don't think so. And listen, if there was a black swan event, is it really going to take out Bitcoin to the point where it's like going to destroy it? Absolutely not. There's nothing that can destroy Bitcoin. If anything, if there's a huge black swan event, the stocks are the things that won't recover. Like other things are not going to recover. Bitcoin always comes back. Bitcoin always comes back. I'm bullish on Bitcoin. Bitcoin's inevitable. We need a decentralized financial ecosystem. We need decentralized peer-to-peer money that is censorship resistant. Whether you like anybody or not in the political system, whatever, it doesn't matter what anybody in the government thinks, to be honest. I don't care who's president. I don't care what goes on politically. It never matters when it comes to Bitcoin, because Bitcoin at the end of the day is not political. It's a piece of technology. It is money. Period. Donnie T even got Zuck to come down to Mar-a-Lago and kiss the ring. Listen, you know what Mark Zuckerberg's doing now? Facebook was bad. Instagram was bad. Even right now, they shadow ban all these different types of content. But now all of a sudden, little Mark Zucky over there is like, you know what? I'm going to go and say, I'm going to do community notes like X does. All of a sudden. Come on. Let's get real, dude. Let's get real. Mark Zuckerberg is bowing down right now because he is scared. My boy is fearing. So nice to see you, my friend. John, thank you for the let him cook emoji. It's Digibyte's birthday today. Oh my gosh, wait, hold on. It's the 10th. Hold on. Digibyte release date. Hold on. I think it is. Oh my gosh, wait. January 10th. Oh boy, happy birthday, Digibyte. Oh boy, happy birthday, Digibyte. Yes, oh my gosh. I can't believe I almost missed that today. Brian, this is why you're the best. Shout out to Brian. I love Digibyte so much. I think it's inevitable for money. Again, I don't care about the number go up, friends. I always talk about the tech. Shout out to Digibyte. not 10 years old, 11 years old now. Released in 2014. It's almost 1.5 cents today. Almost 1.25 cents. Yeah, 0.0124 cents right now. 0.97% in the green. We want to hold that 0.01228 bullish scenario is just below that penny and a half, 0.0147. And your bear scenario is that penny, which if we fall below, I'm gonna be angry. But yay, DigiByte, let's go! Happy birthday! Oh, I love that coin. It is so amazing. I actually had the creator on the Randi Hipper show a while back as well. Shout out to Jared Tate. He's awesome. And guys, we have 136 likes. We're running out of time. We got 5 minutes left to hit 150 likes for a rave. So we need that 14 more likes. 14 more likes. Let's see. But yeah, guys, just a reminder, I'm going to be on Newsmax today, 3:45. So if you guys just tuned in, 3:45 p.m. Eastern, tune into Newsmax. Kyle Cassidy, yes, this is my real TikTok account. Block all the fakers. Neo, thank you. Miguelito, nice to see you. But guys, please make sure you tune in at 3:45 p.m. Eastern to Newsmax. We're going to get after there today. K Diggity, so he's bullish on Jesse. Same. French, nice to see you. But yeah, we're getting after it. Let's go. We're so bullish. We're so bullish. And yeah, so I'm excited for Newsmax. Also, please make sure you guys are going on my YouTube channel. You are going over to the Randi Roundup. How you find it is you could either go to videos, you see my recent uploads, or you go to playlists. You see the Randi Roundup. You do a nice click over there. And then you go on the recent video and you smash that like. We're 18 more likes away for 100. We need 100 likes over there. We need 100 likes. We really want to keep posting those. I want to build momentum on those and hope for the best, essentially, because we really want to do more daily quick news, and as well as other content as well. So I'm going to work on formulating a plan to do more content for education. I really want to do more educational content. I also want to work on spreading crypto adoption and working with the right people to spread crypto adoption. So I have a lot of big plans I'm trying to work out. We're only 10 days into 2025, and I'm working my butt off to get after it. So let's keep going. I want a Dutch oven, Brian. I see you talking about that in the chat. I would love a Dutch oven. You're bullish on OV. We could do OV. Let's see. Crypto. Hold on. Where's my chart for this? I really feel like, didn't we just do this? Yeah, we did. Okay. $283. I almost said likes. $283. Up 0.75%. Your bearish level to watch there is 247. Your bullish is 426. So those are your two levels to watch for OV. We have the VWAP trying to move its way up too. So bullish on that. Bullish on the VWAPs. We want all the VWAP love. All the Link Marines out there too. You want to keep holding that support right here at that $19.63. We're at $20 Link right now. Psychological level. Again, you want to hold $20 Link. Are you guys bullish on Link? I would like to know. Are you guys bullish on Link? It's your bullish scenario there is $26. Your bearish, if we don't hold 20, don't hold this 19, is over here at $16.25. Are you guys bullish on Link? $20 Link is pretty interesting. John said for sure. I mean, I know there's a lot of Link Marines. That's the community, right? The Link Marines. Yeah, this is crazy. This is nuts. Shout out to everyone in the chat, though, because this is beautiful. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Let's see. Do you guys like the dress, too? Are we bullish on this? It has, like, I know you guys can't see it, but there's, like, a little tie in the back. You tie up a little bow out there. But do you guys think this has pockets? That's the more important question. Do you guys think it has pockets? One or yes emoji, two or no emoji? Let me know your thoughts there. What's the feeling on XRP? We could get after that. Hold on. XRP is $2.29. Again, we're still kind of holding the same range here. Your bear scenario there is $1.81-ish. And then your bullish is $2.75. Again, that's your golden zone. If you establish support there, you want to try to target $3, one. And then two is the previous or the current all-time high, which is around $3.35. That's what you're looking for. That's what you're looking for on XRP. The red dot's printing on the momentum, but it is not below the zero line just yet. And your VWAP is bearish too. And the money flow is taking a hit as well. RSI is trying to stay bullish, heading towards that neutral, but it is bouncing a little bit. So hopefully XRP holds. And we also have an XRP emoji. Spam those XRP emojis in the chat. Shout out to everyone. No pockets on that one. You guys don't think there's pockets. Interesting. Well, oh, 2 more likes, guys, till 150. Pamp that. Crypto Sun said, I never thought you would never ask about the dress. It's absolutely gorgeous. Thank you. All right, guys. Well, I have to reveal. Hold on. No pockets. The thing is, though, it has like little tiers. See, like tier 1 and the tier 2. So it has like tiers. It has a nice bow. So there's no pockets, but there's like extra zest associated with it. But the thing is, like, you guys can't see it that much. You guys can't see it with the camera. I don't know why. But again, there's like a little bow back there. There's 2 tiers, a little bit of ruffle action. Shout out to Richard Barry in the chat. He got his emojis today. He said, let's go. And he's rating those XRP emojis. Shout out to Robert Ferguson in the chat. Yeah, all you guys that voted no pockets were correct. Also, we're gonna rave. I gotta go get my sunglasses. Hold on. If you guys are ready to rave, then write rave in the chat. We need to write rave. I am gonna get demonetized now from the video, from the rave music, but that reminds me, please, if you guys have AI rave music, and it has to be like upbeat rave music, then please put that in the Discord. Please go in the Discord and do a little rave, a little rave AI music stuff. Hold on, I'll be back. Hold on. Okay. Let's get after it, guys. We are going to rave. I needed to get the glasses to match the dress. All right. She played the whole music. Yes, I did. The elevator music. You have to do it. All right, guys. If you're ready for rave, let me see that rave in the chat. I need to see the spam. Need to see the rave spam. Let's do it. Also a reminder, my birthday is just over a month away. Just over a month until we rave for the birthday. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. I can't wait for the birthday. I'm turning 22, guys. Isn't that wild? 22. Ooh. It feels like one of those nights. Also, Monday, before we Monday, friends, we're going to do a community call in the Discord. So make sure you're in the Discord. It's going to be open to everyone. And then it's going to be exclusively for members. All right. Let's get it. Where are my buttons? Okay.
Hucksters.
Gary. Watch it. Smash the likes. Share it out.
Hucksters. Fraudsters. Scam artists. Ponzi schemes.
Oh, girl, baby girl. Oh, girl, baby girl.
Oh, baby. China.
$94,000 Bitcoin for the rave. Let's get it. Guys, look at Bitcoin right now. She's doing so good. Bitcoin hitting a high today of around 95K.
A potato flew around my room before you came. Excuse.
Guys, we want that 98K, but again, we're still in range. We're still looking very good for Bitcoin, up almost 2%. Man, I got so much going on this weekend. I do. And I have a lot of things to take care of today, going into the weekend. And then the next 2 weeks, basically the next month, is going to be a lot for channel stuff and also life stuff. So we're going to see what goes on over the next month. But again, guys, 2025 going to be a biggie. And so we're going to keep calm. We're going to hodl on. We're going to stay zesty out here. And we're going to keep working our butts off. For what, friends? Crypto adoption. That is the goal. I love crypto. I want to help spread adoption. Let's make this thing mainstream. I'm so bullish on you. I'm so bullish on every single person that works so hard every single day to spread adoption. And even if you just own Bitcoin, that is you spreading adoption. Period. That is you spreading adoption. That is you taking part in a beautiful revolution of opting out of one system of control, devaluation, and not being into one that is empowering you. Valuing your time and your energy. That's what we care about. Hoping for the best. Let's get after it. And let's just do good. Do only good every day, as the Dogers like to say. But thank you guys for hitting our subscriber goal, our like goal today as well. Please make sure you guys are checking out our sponsors. Oh, wow. I'm doing this all wrong. Why? My cap lock is messing with me. Sorry. But please make sure you guys are checking out our sponsors. Please join the Discord, the community chat. Please make sure you guys throw some comments in there. Let me know that you see it. Also, the Zesty community chat as well. The Zesty After Show chat. Please make sure you're in there. Throw an emoji. Say hello in there. Let me know that you guys see it. All members are able to get in there. So, well, thank you for the hearts. Kevin with the bracelet. You guys are spoiling me over there. Thank you. But, yeah, I really appreciate all you guys. Is the One Up Coin address updated? Oh, yeah. So, One Up Coin, I'm actually going to take that out because One Up Coin is not working. So no One Up Coin. I do have a Litecoin address that you guys can donate to. It is on my website as well. So please make sure you guys are going over there and if you guys want to go and look at that. But I do have a Litecoin address. And Tubinjar, you did miss the rave. But I do have a Litecoin address. So you guys could go check that out on my website. But yeah, Keen Beats said, got my two sons their own wallets and $100 in Bitcoin. That's a good father move. They'll thank you for it one day. Absolutely. They'll thank you for it. But guys, we're going to get after it over the weekend. I'm going to work on some stuff. I have a lot of stuff going on personally for the next few months. And I'm just going to work really hard to make everything happen, sort everything out, and really focus on this channel. This channel means the world to me. So please join the Discord. Please tune in to Newsmax at 3:45 p.m. Eastern today. And let's keep calm. We're going to hodl on. Black Hat did put a temporary page for my addresses as well. Crypto Sunset, thank you for the smiles and great rave day. Love your zesty. Check your zestiness later. Yes. I'll see you guys for the Randi Roundup later today, too. I'm going to work on that. And shout out to the Digibyte community for 11 years as well. We just went over the chart, too. So shout out to Digibyte for the little birthday love as well. Thank you guys so much. Have a beautiful day. Happy Friday. Have an amazing weekend. Please tune into the Randi Roundup when I post later today. Please tune in to Newsmax at 3:45, and please join the Discord. Thank you, Meninja, for the membership just now. Appreciate you. Have a beautiful day. Happy Friday. Enjoy your weekend. And as always, stay zesty. Peace.